Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Fabi. Today I want to share with you how to make this beautiful pumpkin frame using only $3 items. So we will need some pumpkin stencil, some foam board, some white and gray acrylic paint, some empty wax, and also some Cork ribbon, also from the dollar store. So first I just start cutting the board, but I did measure it, try to measure that my pumpkin will fit on it. So then I used the cutter and I cut the foam. So then I used the scissors to create lines to make it look like wood, just like so. Next I used the gray and white acrylic paint. First I started with the gray. I give it the first coat, as you can see, and then on top I use a little bit of white acrylic paint, just like so. And next I use my best friend hair dryer to make it easy and quick to dry my foam, so just like so. Next I use the antique wax, and then I just remark it a little bit, the line that we made it before, and then I use the pumpkin stencil. So what I did first was just trace the entire pumpkin, and then I covered the entire foam, as you can see, just like so. Then I removed the stencil, and oh my god, I was so excited about it because it came out beautiful. So I used the hair dryer, and then I used a little bit of white paint just to use it on the edges, just to give it like a highlight or something like that. Then I also use a little bit of white paint on the lines that we create at the beginning, and then I will be using also some antique wax, the same brush that I used before, just to distress the white paint, just to make it look more realistic, just like so. I also remarked the stain with the antique wax, and also a little bit inside of the pumpkin, as you can see. Look beautiful already. So then I use the Cork ribbon, and then I'm going to be placed in the entire frame, as you can see. That was my first time using the Cork ribbon, and I think it looks really nice. But another option is using those Jenga little blocks, and that would be cool also, but I didn't have those. But I think it came out really nice. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the red button and also the bell, and you will get all the notifications and you will not miss any videos. So see you guys next time. Ciao.